Godfather of Irish Drill. Shout out my boy, Demi TV.
It's Wave God in this motherfucker. Hey, shout my nigga Demi T though.
Got the song pop like I'm Iggy. All they talking about is last night like I'm Demi. Say you got.
Rupees donated $5. Damn ski pulled the Michael.
Dean TV cooler merch in the description box. Go copy, son. Click the link in the description box below and support your boy. What's up, Dean TV, Dean Nation, Dean family? Subscribe to the channel, and if you're new. And today we're doing a tutorial on how to cook and how to eat. You feel me? I'm cooking for y'all. Today you're in Chef Team, you feel me? And something you can make on your own at home, you feel me? And for your family or etc. Or you can do your little twist on it and share it to me on Instagram, on everywhere you can share social media, you feel me? Tag your boy. And I share it and put it on my stories, feel me? Because today we're doing a pasta bouillons. Cooking with Neil. We're cooking some Neil pasta. We call it the monster. You feel me? And yeah, subscribe to the channel, check out the merch, go copy some, and support your boy and everything he's doing and entrepreneur shit. You feel me? Down in the description box below. Check out your merch and subscribe and share and show support and love and help me win this contest on Orbi. You feel me? That'll be in the description box below. Also, love you guys. I made chicken pasta. You feel me? Yeah, it's an experiment right now. Got the ingredients, you feel me? You can see how this shit go. Simple. Now, I'm about to cut these sausages. Yeah, today ain't no more. Wash your food. Make sure you wash your hands also. I'm gonna take my hot wipe. This side, this is a strat. A little Chico strat. I ain't gonna do 12 at one time. I'm gonna do this shit simple. So y'all have your boy cuts in the kitchen. Your boy cuts in the kitchen. It's your boy Hardin in this bitch right now. Holy moly. Chop. 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 Fuck. Chop. 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 Perfect chops. Chop. 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 You chop your mixes, your sausages, you feel me? Got that out the way, you feel me? You know, season those before we put that in the pan, fry that shit, you feel me? Yeah. Then we got the meat about it. How we gonna do the chicken? We gonna dissect the chicken. We gonna cut this shit off. We gonna cut this shit. And we basically what we gonna do is shit. Try to take the bone off. Shit. This shit frozen like shit. I want to cut myself. I'm sorry, chicken. Man, this don't take forever. Fuck that. Shit. God. I hope I don't get copyright for showing this shit. I ain't gonna cut all these meats. I've been putting some of this in the refrigerator, honestly. Ripping the meat out the chicken. When you do this, make sure you wash your fucking hands. Because if you don't, you're going to get all types of mosquitoes. All types of salmonellas. Yeah. I'm going to just take what I can. I ain't gonna do all these chickens. I still got the meatballs I gotta do. Crazy. Well, then fuck. This bit here has got no type of cooking show with eating, right? Right? Showing y'all how to cook, the meat shit, all types of shit out here. Damn, family. Fuck it. I'm done. Fuck that shit. They about to do all these. Fuck that shit. I'm out. Fuck that shit. I'm out. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. I say fuck that shit. Now we gonna get pop up some noodles. Now we're gonna get into the season part. Oh yes, yes sir. Like they say, if it ain't seasoned, it ain't right. Get half of this bit. Make sure you break it off. You don't want to use all of it. Because you may not ever know. You may want to use it for a certain special occasion or something like that. Who knows? Who knows? You gotta make little balls right here. Little balls. Make little meatballs right here. Like I said, we're making little meatballs right now. Like I said, we're making little meatballs out here. Meatballs is, well, pasta. I'm doing this kind of fast, actually. This is probably the easiest step to do, honestly. If you don't know how to make meatball, make these ground beef, how to make meatballs, I don't know. You gotta be something wrong with you. But what the fuck? It's the easiest thing to do. Look at these. Look how easy this shit is. Simple, plain, easy. Damn, I ain't out here to make some lot of these bitches. Damn. I know y'all probably like, Dean, where's the seasoning? Wait for that, man. Wait for that. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Just wait on it. We got even Friday. We got a long way to go. A long process to go, family. Oh my gosh, nation. This is so squishy. Easy way to do it like this, then, family. Make a meatball. Just squish it in. Simple, easy. You feel me? Yeah. Simple, easy shit. I might put some more meatballs out here because try to do as many as I can. Okay. I hope I this enough. Shit, I'm tired of doing this shit now. I'm about to say, fuck this shit. I'm done. That's enough meatballs. That's what I'm about to say in a little bit. I'm gonna do one more. One more. This is the last one, dang it, family. This is the last meatball. We're gonna put the rest of this away for another day. You feel me? Shit. Get checks out. Whatever y'all seen ever happen. We're gonna put some parsley. We're gonna put some sugar so we can get some, so we can be a little sweet. We're gonna use some turmeric. So, oh shit. Like, that shit out turmeric. You feel me? Get that in there. That good shit. You feel me? We're gonna have some good healthy meal. Yeah. Hold up. And we got the seasoning salt. Get that in there. And some cinnamon, so we get a little more flavor. Then we got garlic powder. And Italian seasoning, because it's an Italian food, Italian beverage, you feel me? Oh, and hold up. We gotta get the pan, you feel me? Gotta get the pan. And before I do that, where is my sprayer? Get this shit at Walmart, then. I got this shit at Walmart. That shit got fan wrap and shit. This shit clutch. Then we gon' put it on low and let that put a little olive oil on it. A little olive oil. So like when it start frying, it can be specular. You feel me? And yeah, we're gonna be doing this as a routine and keep doing it. You feel me? Cause while we seasoning it, while we season the meat. Why is he that we're gonna be seasoning the meat? And cooking some in the new toast, you feel me? Bow. Oh crap, that's there's not enough oil in that bitch. Oh shit. Just get heated up. We gonna season these pastas also. You feel me? We're gonna put some Italian seasoning. Oh shit! And garlic powder and some cinnamon. Put that on fire and put this on fire. What I got? Oh shit. Okay, that's the catch it. Catch it, cause I gotta catch it more. Got my plate ready over here. I don't have to move that bit because when this shit start cooking. Let's see. Well, let's say that round and go. Round and go. Round and go. Damn, everything popped the feeling this time. That was gonna say round and go. Round and go. Round and we 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 go. Let's say round and we go. Round and we go. Round and we go. Okay. And get you some cooking wine, you feel me? It got a little bit of alcohol in it too, you feel me? This is wine, what the fuck? That shit really wine. Crazy. Crazy, that's really wine. I ain't know that shit. That shit crazy. We got wine out here, bitch. I got to get some more shit. You know, this is something called the fucking whole shit. Drunken pizza. Drunken on. Huh? 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 Who? What shirt? Oh, you talking about in I got it in my room. You need it? Huh?
I'll come in, I don't mind. Flipping on, fucking around. You know, flipping on, damn man, this time. Up here, you know, damn man. Flipping on, damn man. Up here, you know, damn man. Flipping on, damn man. Up here. Fucking man. Flipping on, damn man. You know, up here, flipping on, damn man. Up here.
What the hell this thing got going on
Flipping
now?
on, damn man.
Bow. Man, see y'all when it's time, you feel me? I'm finna drop these and the sausages, you feel me? We're gonna put that bit together when we come back. Shit look kinda good, I can't lie. That looks like it good. Sausages time. Now I gotta get these bitches up on right. Shit, I'm glad that bitch fell right down the paper. I about to be upset. You want your shit to be done. You don't want to get salmonella or get sick from eating now cooking. Make sure your food cooked all the way through thoroughly. The sausage done right there, y'all see them boys. Them boys look six over there. They see them dropping the sausage in about the pan final. Okay. Now I'm putting the rest of these in there so they get all done at the same time. Up. Get everything in that right. So all cooked together. Yeah, but this get done. When this get done, we put all this shit together. Company.
When you call no, it's over ain't no tomorrow. If you get diet tomorrow, it's 6 years tight, for 6 years left to off in the cage for the rest of the days. You can take that day. Hey, you found nothing. They say the ends justifies the means.
Damn, like the oil.
This is the cats wanna be. I do this. They smoke trees, dips and OGs. I listen to that rep I went deep. Over because of my skin, but the secret is to win, so I only hit them, yes sir, no sir. I forget. Redneck, son of a bitch. I'll take one pussy who ain't getting none, catch you up, put you to sleep. Ooh, scared shit.